Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Data Structure Using C++ lecture series. In the previous lecture, we learned about the basic structure of C++ program. Now, in this lecture, we are going to do something more practical. We learn how to take input, how to store values, how to perform calculation, and use the condition. These concepts are very important before we start arrays. Now, how to take input from the user? Let us start with example. Suppose I want to take age of a student. How I will take? Simply I will write hash include bracket. In bracket I will write iostream using namespace standard. Already explained what is that. Then int main, which is the start of program. Then opening brace, in that I will write int age. Then cout will display the things like enter your age. Then I have to take input as a age. So I will write c in bracket age. Then cout I will display age. Now here in this program, int age. What is int age? It will create a variable. Then c in bracket age. It will take the value from the user. Now let's say suppose you want to take input as a 20. Then the value 20 is stored inside the variable age. So in simple I can say that scenes means input. Now can you do some calculation? More practical. Let's say suppose you want to add two number. What you will do again? Include iostream in bracket using namespace already explained. Int main is the start of program. In opening brace, now I have to take some values. For that I have to declare some values. You can see in the program a, b and some. So I will take cout, enter two numbers. Then cin I will take two variable a and b. And the value is stored in a sum. So the answer will become a plus b. Suppose a I given 10, b equal to 20, it will store in a sum. So in this example, we are actually taking the input, processing it, and we get the output. Every program follows the basic idea actually, how to take the input. Afterward, we'll talk about if else statement. This is enough now. Okay. In the next class, we'll learn about if else statement. Thank you very much.